Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by narrowing scope. Choose 3 to 5 focused keywords and related synonyms so searches return relevant papers. Once done, open Google Scholar and sign in. This unlocks library links and saved alerts. Use the left filters to set date range, language, and document type. This reduces noise fast. Make sure to enable library access in settings so you can retrieve PDFs. This first step saves hours later because you search smarter, not harder. You now build effective queries. Put phrases in quotes for exact matches and use or between synonyms to broaden results. Then apply advanced search options, author, in title, and specific publication names to target influential sources. Once results appear, skim abstracts to assess relevance and open highly cited, recent papers first. Citations indicate impact. Make sure to click Cited By to discover related work. This process narrows to the most useful literature, quickly and logically. You finish by organizing. Click Save for key records and export citations in BibTX or EndNote format to build your references list. Once done, create alerts for your final keyword set so new papers arrive automatically, and keep a short reading log noting methods and gaps. If a paper is behind a paywall, make sure to use library links, request a copy via interlibrary loan, or email the author. This often solves access issues fast and keeps your RRL moving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.